You all have played a role in our family's life, most especially Alexis' life, and we're here to celebrate that today. Again, thank you all for coming out. Thank you for everyone that helped us set up today. Andy, Marcus, I'm probably going to forget people. Uncle Cameron. Alexis' mom Cheryl, Steve, Jillian, thank you all for coming out. My Uncle David, everybody coming out. Auntie Becky. Yeah, they all came together to help me put this together. I do car shows and stuff like this, but this was on a different level of setting something up. One person I want to bring up is my mom. I couldn't go without my mom. She did all the centerpieces, decorating and all that. It was difficult because I know me, you, and Alexis all had different visions. In particular in what we like, we butted heads, but in the end result, everything came together. And I love it. So thank you again for everyone.
All right, next up we have Odie Torio. All right, next up we have Mr. Gabriel Capuatan. All right, next up we have Marlo Simeon. Next up we have Alaric Mangosing. Let's make some noise for Mr. Darren Abrams. Next up, we have Mr. Gavin Taganas. Next up we have Mr. Marty Cochran. Next up we have Mr. Jason Taganas. Next up we have Mr. Jaden Taganas. Alright, our next rose is Mr. J.R. Taganas. Next up we have Mr. Cameron Abrams. Next up we have Mr. Adam Larson. Let's make some noise for Mr. Frank Mangosing. We have Mr. Steve Shue. Now we have Mr. JJ Garcia. Next up we have Mr. David Sahaga. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not certainly least, let's make some noise for Mr. Damian Abrams. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our debutante, Alexis, and her father, Damien, and all the 18 roses. All right, here we go. One more time for Angel Joy Leonardo.
Alexis, first of all, happy birthday. Thank you for being the best little sister I could ever ask for. And thank you for being my best friend, and always making me laugh. Here's some more, and so...
Wait, Angel, hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can have some quiet here for Angel, all right? Thank you.
Woo!
And next up we have Miss Marianne Herrera.
I appreciate that you think of me as one of your close best friends. I'm so proud of how far you've gotten being with you since high school. I wish you luck in your future endeavors, and I know you'll do great. No matter what you do. I love you so much.
Next up we have Miss Rain Latata.
On this day and all of your other birthdays to come, I wish for you to forever feel love, to forever feel happiness within yourself, and to forever feel proud of the things you're able to achieve. I wish for you to forever stay the comforting, lovable, funny, and beautiful person I met 4 years ago. Thank you so much for letting me be part of your life and part of such a special day today. I love you so much.
And our next panel is Miss Jolly Rollins.
To Alexis, I'm so happy to have met you, and I'm grateful for your presence in my life. I wish for you to always recognize your beauty in everything you do and feel the love that everyone brings to you. I wish you the happy life that you've always deserved. I'm so thankful for our connection. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Next up, let's move some noise for Merlin Cochran.
My dear Alexis, I say this with your grandfather because he would have been so proud if you were here. I grant you this light to light you in your path for a successful future. Be true to yourself, make good decisions, but best of all, love yourself. I love you.
Next up, we have Stacy and Charlize DeLeon.
Thank you for being a big sister to me. I love you, and I just wanted to say happy 18th birthday.
Love you, Alexis.
Next up, we have Miss Jade Castro.
I just want to say how proud I am of you and to see how far you've come. Thank you for everything, for being my commander, and most importantly, an amazing friend. Happy 18th birthday, guys. Much love to you.
Next up, we have Miss Giselle Taganas.
Even though we don't get to hang out a lot because we live like very far, I have a lot of fond memories with you, and I'm really grateful to be your aunt, even though I'm younger than you. So, happy birthday.
Next up, we have Miss Samira Stanley.
time to have been a part of your life. You have grown up to be a beautiful woman and an amazing commander. I'm so proud of you and I love you so much. Happy 18th birthday.
And our next candle is Miss Jillian Taganas.
Hi, Mini. Okay, so I just wanted to say happy birthday. For as long as I can remember, from dancing to eating together, from singing competitions to solo competitions, and now you're doing drama. I've never been so much fun for you. Sorry. From growing up, I've seen you grow into such a loving, a creative, strong individual. My wish for you is to keep be yourself. Know that your families will always be there for you, no matter what. And how much I love you and how much I'm proud of you for everything.
Next up, we have Miss Jasmine Larson.
For those of you that don't know me, I'm Lulu's cousin, and sorry. I just wanted to say that you've been a really good cousin all the time, and sorry, this is so embarrassing.
Remember yourself. Getting lost.
But we've always had really good memories together, like the time where we went to Mammoth and we both got paid $100 just to hike at Yosemite. Yeah, that's my favorite memory with us, and I'm really excited to make more with you, and I'm really proud of you, just watching you grow all this time. So happy birthday, Lulu.
Next up, we have Miss Janet Larson.
Lulu, I've known you since you were a baby. Watching you grow up has been a blessing to have you in the family. I want to wish you the best on this special day. I want you to go and set this world on fire, dream big, and make your life as exciting to live than it is to remember. I love you.
Next up, we have Alicia Larson.
Hi everyone. For those of you that don't know me, I'm also one of Lulu's cousins. But first off, I just wanted to say happy 18th birthday, Lulu. I'm so honored that I could celebrate your special day with you and be one of your candles. It seems like just yesterday I was with my family watching you dance on stage during the Islanders Festival like we try to do almost every year. And now I'm seeing you on your 18th birthday as the beautiful young woman that you've blossomed into. It's been amazing to be by your side and watch you grow throughout all these years, and I can't wait to see what your 18th year in the future brings you. You've always been such a bright light in everyone's lives, and I'm excited to continue to watch that light shine on as you graduate from high school soon and get started in the real world. I hope your future brings you nothing but more happiness and success. I love you. Happy birthday.
Our next candle is Miss Frances Mangosing.
My wish for you is to always be happy. There's nothing I love more than seeing you at your best. And even though 18 is a year of change for you, I hope your happiness is one of the things that stay the same. Happy 18th birthday, Alexis. I love you.
Next up, we have Miss Gwendolyn Mangosing.
Hi Alexis. To think like 11 years ago you were dancing for my debut and now I'm here, one of your candles at your debut. And seeing you grow up has been such an amazing journey. I hope that, this new chapter in your life brings you much happiness and success, and it's only the beginning, so I hope you have, much success growing up even more. I love you.
Last but not least, let's make some noise for Celia Taganas.
Gorgeous and beautiful granddaughter. May you have more candles to go, and wish you success and most especially health and wealth. Okay, God bless you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go on the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alexis. Happy birthday to you.
There you go. And happy birthday, Alexis.
First of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone who came, whether you came from, you lived in San Diego or you came from Bollywood. And then I wanted to thank my court for saying yes to be a part of my court and learning all the dances and stuff, even though it was kind of hard. But yeah, I'm really glad that I chose you guys, and even though like it's not like full 18 people, I'm glad that it's full of like people who are real to me. And thank you to everyone I asked to be my 18 candles and roses. You guys are very dear to me in life. And thank you. Also, thank you to the people who came and helped with this whole thing, like my nana and just everyone in the family. Thank you, because it wouldn't have been a thing without you guys. Next, I want to thank my mom and my dad. Obviously, I wouldn't be here without them, and I'm thankful that they allowed me to have this opportunity, and that they always aspire me to be the best person I can. And then thank you to AJ for being my best friend and like an older sister to me. I love you. I love all of you guys. Thank you.
Let's give it one more shot to our birthday celebrant, Alexis. Come on, let's make some noise. Happy birthday.
Try this, guaranteed to swear to
One more time, raise your hand in the sky and scream.